Hi Taurus, welcome to your reading. So, this is going to be for July 1st to the 15th for you. We will be looking at the current situation up with you, and basis that, I'll be looking at an outcome. I'll close off the reading with a couple of oracle cards from the universe. And all, please remember while watching this is a general reading, it may or may not resonate with you. So, please take what resonates and leave what does not. So let's begin, Taurus. Let's see what's happening with you, what's going on currently. Taurus, what's happening with you currently? Okay, so if the current situation resonates with you, then there is a high chance that the outcome that we pick up in the next 15 days is also going to resonate with you. All right, so let's see what's going on with you, Taurus. Two of Cups, Two of Pentacles, Eight of Cups. Okay. Things seem to be going out of your hand, Taurus. You seem to be a little lost. Majorly, I think, since I see the Two of Cups, is to do with partnerships, and your partnerships in life right now is shaken up for some reason. I am also seeing that the stability of your life is a little shaken at this point. Okay. Um, you are kind of wanting to move towards something calmer, something that is your calling. But the point is that you're not in a very happy space at this point. Okay, you're feeling a little lost. Let's clarify these cards. Let's clarify Two of Cups, Nine of Cups, Two of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles. Yes, your stability is shaken up and you're looking for a new stability. Eight of Cups, the Hierophant, Seven of Pentacles. Okay. So, Taurus, what I'm seeing for you guys here is that your happiness, something that you thought is your world, is a little shaken up at this point. And you are kind of walking away from committing to anything at this point. You're a little scared. I see you not taking too much of action at this point, and you don't even want to because you're not sure where your life is heading at this point. I see a sort of a change in you, some sort of realizations coming to you, where you could be feeling a shift in your perception in a lot of ways. Okay. I also feel somewhere that yes, there is a connection in your life which gives you the ultimate happiness that you wanted. But then again, I'm seeing that it's like it's shaken, like something has just shaken things up in your life. Let me know if this is resonating with you. You could be in a confused state of mind. If not shaken, then you could be in a confused state of mind and you don't know where is all of this leading you. All right, you might not be knowing that. Okay, I am seeing a certain sort of a confusion slash dissatisfaction. All of those energies are around here. So if this resonates, let's see what can you expect in the coming 15 days. In July 1st to the 15th, what can you expect? Two of Swords. I have Seven of Pentacles twice. Queen of Swords. So I am actually seeing that you don't know whether a problem will be solved or not, and you are in that energy only. Maybe you want to solve this problem, but it just doesn't seem to be getting solved. I see you feeling I see you in the energy of kind of giving up. Okay? You do not know whether to walk on this path or not. And it's like a sense of dissatisfaction that has set in. And in the next 15 days, again, are you scared of someone? Is there some fear of a particular person? You're scared to lose something. And there is a decision in the making, I can see. And it seems as if you are not very sure if things are going to work out with this person or this situation. You don't know. That fear lingers in your mind. Okay? Let me see. Let's clarify each card. Two of Swords here. The World. And the Moon. Yeah, you exactly don't know when will this thing just come to an end, and you're scared, and that's why you're putting a mask around you and you're not wanting to see it at all. Okay? Let's clarify the Seven of Pentacles. Three of Swords. And Ten of Cups. You don't know that if you put in effort, will you get the happiness that you're seeking. Let's clarify the Queen of Swords here. Eight of Wands. And Page of Cups. You want to talk to this person. You want to make it work out, but I think you're not sure about whether this person also equally wants to work it out or not. Okay, I'm seeing that you could be feeling, as I said, lost and really not sure. So, when you're in a place in your life where your basic thing is just shaken, so everything else just doesn't fall into place. Like you don't know how to put things in order again. I see in these 15 days you're putting effort, but you're not sure if your effort is going to get or garner any results. And you're dwelling in that energy. You don't know if you will get the results that you're looking for. Okay, so that can cause anxiety, and I'm seeing in the next 15 days also you'll be putting in effort. This could be towards a person, this could be towards something that you always desired, but it's like you, from inside, you feel broken. Okay? That's what I'm picking up, and I feel that you should keep trying till you don't succeed. See, life will have innumerable challenges, okay? But it's up to you how you deal with it. Alright? So let's see what is the advice for you. You should keep putting in effort is what I pick up. What is the advice for Taurus? Radha, Soul Flame. Rediscover a lost part of yourself. Experience relationship, harmony, and healing. Okay, so again, this is your lost determination. Okay, you have to bring back that thing. There is something that is lacking here. Okay, bring that back. Soul Flame is giving me some sort of a passion vibe. So you have to bring that back in your life on your own. Nobody else is going to do this for you. Okay? That is what I'm seeing. Let's see what else is the advice for you, Taurus. Protecting treasure. Don't give up. Even if the situation or the circumstances are unfavorable. Okay? unfavorable or whatever it is. So I'm actually seeing that it's your determination that is going to decide the way forward here in the next 15 days. Now it's totally up to you what you make of it or what you don't. All right, so you are the one who's going to decide what's going to come next. But I do see a giving up attitude. This I did see, and that is not going to work in your case anymore. You have to strive and put in effort. All right, wherever even there is 1% hope also, please don't give up. That's the message that I'm getting for Taurus. All right, so I hope this resonates, Taurus. Let me know in the comments, and private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. Also, guys, you can follow me on Instagram. I do daily 3-card readings over there, just in case if you're interested. And do let me know in the comments if this reading resonated and if you liked it. Take care. Bye.